officials are debating three proposals on where to allow homeless people to camp. One would allow camping in some green belts and unmaintained parks. Thousands of people have signed a petition against that proposal, while others oppose one being developed by the mayor. A recent city council...
Homeless and unsheltered people have to become increasingly self-sufficient if they wish to receive any taxpayer-funded services. I live in Magnolia, one of the most privileged neighborhoods in the city, and some of my children's classmates are living in encampments. My heart burns with shame when I think about how we have failed them, and it angers me when I hear parents from our school talking about organizing a protest for fear their property values will fall.
That was Julie Devins.
$10 at the door to completely false allegations and outright lies in an effort to elect her president.
But Trump is also talking and tweeting about how the election is rigged at the polls and voicing concerns about voter fraud. That worries people like Edward Foley, the head of Ohio State University's election law program. Foley has written about disputed elections, and he says they look far different than the broad conspiracy Trump has been mapping out.
For us to be even remotely realistic about thinking about the risk of a rigged presidential election, it would have to be the context in which the presidential election came down to one or a few states, and those states were also extremely close in their votes.
That's not what the polls look like right now. Trump has talked about rigged races before, but only at times he was losing. Like in April, after Ted Cruz outmaneuvered him in the hunt for delegates at state conventions in places like Colorado.
Our Republican system is absolutely rigged. It's a phony deal.
In fact, Cruz had aggressively organized in those states, while Trump had largely ignored the important role state conventions play in assigning primary delegates. Trump also talked about a rigged election when he trailed Clinton in the polls in August. As the race tightened,
Looks so fresh.
It just looks so fresh and clean.
You know what Mullen's used for?